Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to change the battery for the BMW X4 key fob. I have a 2018 model, so if you have the key that's similar to this, it might work as well. Okay, look in the back is a button, so you can push that in so you can take out the emergency key. And you can either use the flathead screwdriver or the lead opener like I do. See that hole right there? There's the pin that holds the battery compartment together. Place it in there and snap it this way, and it will open up. This model is fairly easy to do, so just see here's the battery, the CR2450. You take that out and replace your old battery and you're all set to go. Okay, and you can do that and snap it back. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye now.